Okay, so here's a trick you can try to eliminate some of the reviews. It's not foolproof, won't get rid of all of them, but it'll get rid of some of them, right? So you don't have to weed through them. So here I've done my basic search for anthrax treatment, right? And I've got my peer review and my years filters set and locked. That's explained elsewhere in the tutorial, but that's always your first step, right? So I'm going to go over here to advanced search. And we're going to eliminate or try to eliminate everything with the word review in the title. Because if it says it's a review in the title, that's a really good indicator that it's a review, right? So why not weed some of those out? So I'm going to change and to not. These are little drop-down filters. So and becomes not. Any field becomes title because I only want to eliminate review in the title. If I eliminate the word review in the whole article, every article includes the word review, or maybe not every one of them, but they're going to show up. So you go ahead and you put in review here. And let's search this. So right now you see at the bottom I've got 3,900 results here. And now we're down to 3,558, right? So it just got rid of, a couple hundred of them that you don't have to work through anymore. So give this a try if you want to. See if it helps you. I'll be curious to see if anybody likes it or has great success doing it. But it's just another tool in your arsenal.